Morning, everyone. It's been an amazing session over the dark hours of Friday, the 19th of March 2021. So the Asian session opened really strong. I mean, really strong. I woke up at 1 a.m. Something just told me, wake up, look at the chart. And I saw that developing. I saw this candle developing. And actually, the resistance was here at the opening hour. This one just has gone through. That's it. No resistance there. And then people decided to take profits or go short here. And there was a bit of holding up, consolidating, and then over the last hour, because it's close to 6 a.m. now, this candle kind of, whatever happened to it, it just tailed down. That's what happened to it. I assume it's because the European session kicked in. I'm in the UK, and in Europe is 8 o'clock, and for crypto that's about right. So it's 8 in the morning, and I can tell here by the volume that people are trying to depress, to keep the market down, because we are in a bull run, and I don't see a point of doing it. I mean, we're in a bull run, we're supposed to go up and speculate and stay long rather than short, but other people have different opinions, obviously. It's a shame this candle will be in a minute will be closed as it is, but I would expect the following one to just cover the tail completely. On a 4-hour time frame, it looks brilliant. On a 4-hour time frame, we've closed above the previous high, so that's a confirmation that we are projecting upwards. There's no doubt about it. I mean, the Europeans might mess around and trade in a range or even retest some of the levels here, but if the Americans come later in the afternoon and trade up, then we're in a bull run. I mean, this might be just temporary because of the nature of the market. I wouldn't be surprised. I would actually be willing to see only green candles here, strong green candles throughout the 3 sessions. So the first 8 hours, then the second 8 hours throughout Europe, and then the last 3 hours throughout America. If that happens, then we achieve the target, which is up here, 0.003, and then we see a massive take profit and probably a significant short, which wouldn't be surprising. But here we go, so we close that one, and develops life. We closed that one, and yeah, obviously some people are trying to push the market down straight away, but let's see how that develops. It's 1 hour candles are dynamic, so we might see everything. We might see retest, we might see it just going up. The volumes are going up, are hiking, which is great. It's brilliant. And if you followed my previous forecast, not forecast, but the way I trade, really, because that's what I share, I've sort of entered here. I started posting. I've entered here, and then I've added to my position up here, right? After a run, there is a retracement, then you add to your position, and then we're again in a run. So once that run's complete, let's say somewhere around here on a 0.003 mark or close to it, because once we go through all-time high, there is no resistance, guys. There is no resistance. It's just people psychology. On a daily chart, we might print a Lambo candle. I mean, daily chart is looking brilliant. We're still in that 8-day session, 8.69 day session. So the actual run, if it doesn't happen in this session, then it will happen in the last week of March. And don't forget, last week of March is also the last week of the first quarter, so everyone wants to take the profits, especially in the UK and in the States, and I would probably say around the world, because the tax year ends as well. in 6th of April here in the UK, so we'll have to declare profits and obviously pay some tax on it, unfortunately. But it is what it is. Uh, It is what it is. It's much more dynamic than previously. So here there was not much development and then just shoot up. Now we see those nice candles after retracement and then a little bit of retracement and then another candle. So hold breaths. We are in a bull run. We are in a bull run and we're going up. Let's just double check. Yes. So this develops green. As I said, it's a shame sometimes. Sometimes actually, market makers leave the bears go all in, and they just overwhelm them. So I wouldn't be surprised if that's the case. If just uh, more cash flow got in here, and then we carry on and just wipe out those shorts. I mean, don't short in the uptrend. Don't short in after those candles. I know some people are in favor of shorting because it generates profits, and no doubt about it, you can generate profits from here to here with a massive uh, um, position, but follow the trend. I mean, follow the trend. Um, Again, when you risk money, risk wisely. I use Binance and I prefer to buy and hold and then possibly leverage my holding position. So use it as a collateral rather than going into purely a speculative position of contracting here long and then closing here without owning anything. It's up to you guys. It depends on your financial situation, of course, but um, we're out of the woods. We're out of these woods definitely. So we're somewhere here. If it happens to be ranging, then that's part of it really. If not, we're going to the moon. Either way, we're right. We're right because we are here, and then if it happens, we can even add here, or if we trade higher on upon retracement, we add here, and then keep it up. Keep it up, guys. Happy Friday to everyone. Lovely weekend ahead, and get some fish and chips later. Take care.